Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Peggy and I would like to talk about anxiety. Did you know cannabis component including CBD, CBG, CBN could alleviate anxiety, depression, and mood? I have helped many patients with severe anxiety with my customized CBD formulas. Customized formulas are created for each individual based on body weight, metabolism, history, age, and more. For instance, young versus old, or severe anxiety versus mild anxiety. Transient anxiety versus chronic anxiety. They all are different and treatment approaches for each one is different. Not all CBDs are the same and not everyone responds to CBD the same way. In order to find your right formula and right dose, you need someone to understand about your biology and knows about drug interaction. Someone can adjust your formula and dose based on your body response. This is Dr. Peggy and I would love to help. Ask me a question or leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel to learn more. Thank you for listening.